Hello teachers, today we are going to see that how to set a timetable and how to invite students for live class of Q Easily, that we are going to see today in this video by so that from tomorrow you can start your live session of Q Easily app. So in the first video I have explained you about attendance, and I have also told you that where our syllabus is displayed and to check the syllabus. Okay, now we are going to see that how to set a timetable and how to send a link of Q Easily app to the students through this app, or how to send the Zoom link to the students through this app, that we are going to see over here. So first thing what we will do today, we will see the timetable. So click on a timetable. After clicking on a timetable, select school name. After selecting school name, select class. After selecting class, which day timetable you want to set. Okay, like I want to set the timetable of Monday. I have clicked on Monday and I am tapping on search. Now I have tapped on a search. Now here first thing is how many periods we are going to conduct a day. We are online, we are conducting 3 periods regularly. Okay, so first thing is, suppose on Monday our first subject is English. Our first subject is English. Timing, like we will give over here that 9 to 9 to 9:40, our regular timing. Okay, 9 to 9:40. So here 9 to 9:40. Who is the teacher? Suppose here for 9 senior there is a Meena Miss, so I am giving her name over here. Okay, now second subject, suppose there is any other subject like maths, so here maths timing like 9 50, and here at what time it ends, so I am giving here 10:20. Okay, and here who teaches the subject, so Tupke sir teaches maths to the 7th standard student, so I am giving their name over here. Okay, so in this way you can set the timetable over here. After setting the timetable, it will be saved automatically. Okay, so here just it's set now, it's done now, just action. So you have to click on action and it has been saved. Okay, now next thing is, now here in this way you can set the timetable of your class. Next one is live classroom. How to invite students for the live classroom, or how to take how to send the link of a live classroom to the student, that we are going to see over here. So here live classroom, here. So now if you want to invite students for your live classroom, as we send the link of a Zoom app to the students, same way we have to send a link of Q Easily app to the students. So how to send that? For that, what you have to do, you have to click on a live classroom feature. Where you have to click on live classroom feature. After clicking on live classroom feature, now on that day Kunal sir have showed us that how to set live classroom within this feature. Okay, so they have created my own over my name, they have taken my name over here, that title is maths by Tesini Ramaya, date, timing, from when to what timing. Okay, so this thing they have done when they have explained us that how to send a live classroom link to the students. So I will show you that how to add a live classroom link. Just click on this plus. Here there is I will go back again, click on live classroom. Here there is plus sign. Okay, click on a plus sign. After clicking on a plus sign, click on a title. Suppose my subject is there, class of my subject is there. Okay, at 11:30 of 5th standard. Okay, so I have taken here computer. Now tomorrow's date is 23rd. From tomorrow we are going to start our live classroom, so 23rd. After this, next one is here you have to select a time, so time can be in between or somewhere. So here suppose mine is at 11:30, I have selected 11. You can select from here minutes. So mine is my live classroom is at 11:30, so I have selected this time. Now select which am or pm, so I am selecting am. Same way, what is the end time? So my end time is 12:20, so I am selecting 12:20, and here am or pm. You have to select description, what you are going to teach, that description you can go give over here. Like I am going to teach 7th chapter, so I will give here 7th chapter. Okay, and name and other thing what you want to give over here you can give. And who is going to host it? So I am going to host it, so here host by Tejaswini Ramya. Okay, and which application you are using for online lectures? So we are using Zoom. There are more options like GeoMate, Google Meet, GoToMeeting, Cisco Webex. Okay, there are many options. From that we have to select Zoom. We can select any other option as well, but we are taking live classes on Zoom, so we have to select Zoom. After that it is asking us for meeting link. So here I am having my meeting link, so I will copy it from here. Just I am copying a link. So here meeting link, we have to paste it over here, whatever our meeting link is. And meeting ID is optional. If you want to give, you give. If you don't want, you don't give the meeting ID. So meeting ID here for me is 46. My meeting ID is 460864098. This one is my meeting ID. There is no password for my meeting, so I am clicking on save. And the students who have downloaded these will automatically get reminder on their mobile in this app. Okay, they will get automatically reminder in their app. Okay, if they have downloaded the app, they will automatically get the reminder. So in this way you can send the link to the students. So here today we have seen, but first for that your students have to download this Q Easily app. Students will also download the Q Easily app, and as tomorrow we are going to start, so instead of sharing a link to the students, you can also use you can use our regular Zoom link, and through regular Zoom link you can share this. You can share screen, so that it will be available, so that your screen, this whatever is within the app will be available for the students, as yet they have not downloaded this app. We are not informed to the students that to download the app. So for tomorrow, just you can share screen using our routine app, that is Zoom app. So as we share the screen with the students, same way you can share the screen, and this app, whatever is within this app you can share with the student. So in today's video I showed you about live classroom and the timetable. Okay, now next one is, here I will log out from here. So here I will log out from here. Now everyone have to tell to the student to download the Q Easily app. This app, class teachers will tell the students to download the app. So what thing is necessary? Their number is already registered. The number of the students you are given to me, their number is already registered. They have to give their number as an input, and they will get OTP on their own mobile. Okay, after that, as we are logged in this app as a teacher, principal or admin, student will log in within this app as a student, parent or guardian. Okay, after doing this, here it will ask for mobile number of the student. Now for time being I will give my number itself. I've given my number and clicked on next. As I clicked on next, it will ask me for OTP. So here I have to type, means students will type OTP over here, and after that the whatever instructions we are giving, like we have set the timetable and all, they will be able to see all those things. Okay, so how to set a timetable and how to generate a live link, those things I have showed to you within this video. Okay, so thank you.